Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you top 3 free themes in POCO F6. First open Themes app and now type in the themes I'm gonna show you. The first one, in my opinion the best one, is Cozy Glow. Search for it, and this is Cozy Glow. You can download it and now press on apply. You can apply it to lock screen, home screen and icons. Apply. Now the theme has been applied. I'm gonna show you how it looks on the lock screen. And this is Cozy Glow. The second one is gonna be Abstract Flower. This is Abstract Flower. Download it and press on apply. Now it will be applied to your phone. I like this side clock here. And the last theme is gonna be Girl Slimming Plan. Girl Slimming Plan. Search this one, download, wait for it to download, and after that press on apply, wait for it to apply, and how you can see, the theme has been changed. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.